What's up, Peak Timers? Here we have a brand new set of muscle cars called the Hot Wheels American Steel set, and this is a Walmart exclusive set. Let's go ahead and open it up. There's a total of 10 cars to collect in this set, and here on the back of one of the cars, you can see all the cars listed. Let's open up the cars in order from 1 to 10. The one that we'll start off with is the 1964 Galaxy 500. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Car number 2 of 10 is the 1966 Ford 427 Fairlane. Car number 3 of 10 is the 1970 Pontiac Gto Judge. Car number 4 of 10 is the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from 1969. Let's open it. Car number 5 of 10 is the 1961 Chevy Impala. Car number 6 of 10 is the 1972 Ford Gran Torino Sport. Car number 7 of 10 is the 1969 Mercury Cougar. Car number 8 of 10 is the 1967 Pontiac Firebird. And car number 9 of 10 is the 1970 Camaro. And finally, car number 10 of 10 from our muscle car American Steel set is the 1970 Buick GSX. In the comments section down below, let me know which was your favorite car from this Hot Wheels set, and make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.